If you've been trying to get hold of a PS5, you'll know it's a task almost as gargantuan as the console itself. Despite record-breaking sales, Sony has struggled to keep up with demand. And the company may have to resort to drastic action to get stock moving again. During the company's annual earnings report, Sony's CFO, Hiroki Totoki confirmed that a shortage of semiconductors is behind delays to the production of the PlayStation 5. And to counter the problem, Sony is even considering changing the design of the console. According to our sister site, T3, Totoki claimed in the report that Sony is hoping to surpass 14.8M sales in 2021, which was the second-year sales figure for the PS4. But to do it, Sony would have to make some changes to meet demand. For example, Totoki said, "We could find maybe a secondary resource, or by changing the design." While it's surprising to hear that the design of a brand new console could be about to change, we wouldn't be surprised if said redesign is entirely internal. Adjusting the amount of silicon needed inside the machine could help Sony mitigate the shortage of semiconductors.
That said, perhaps Sony could take the opportunity to tweak the appearance of the PS5. Maybe it could take a cue from this wildly popular all-black PS5 mod. Or even this ridiculous water-cooled PS5. With the design of the official console mercilessly mocked when revealed last summer, perhaps it wouldn't be too far-fetched to imagine Sony giving the console a fresh coat of paint. Whatever happens, anything that speeds up the production line is a good thing in our book. Until then, please like, subscribe, and share the video to anyone interested. That is it for me. Thanks for watching. Peace.